Hello viewers, the topic for discussion is machine independent loader features. In this lecture, we will discuss about the loader options. Many loaders allow the user to specify options that modify the standard processing of the loader. That means many loaders allow the user to specify the options. We can provide the options that modify the standard processing of the loader. Many loaders have a special command language where the special command language or the commands can be given in a separate input file to loader, or it can be embedded in the primary input stream that is provided to the loader, or it can be mentioned in the source program. It depends upon the loader. Example of command language like include program name. Include the name of this program from the library. The library name is also given. What does it mean? Direct the loader to read the designated object program from a library and treat it as if it were part of the primary loader input. Delete csect name. There can be more than one control section name. Just that control section can be written as comma separated. Just write here comma, then another control section name, and like that. Instruct the loader to delete the named control section or sections from the set of program being loaded. Change name 1 comma name 2. Cause the external symbol name 1 to be changed to name 2 wherever it is appears in the object program. Just take an example. Suppose in this program I just want to use the read and write program from the utility library. In place of rdirect, which we have written, if it is remembered to you, we have written a program for the name of that module was rdirect, another was wrrec. Rdirect was used to read the data from some device and wrrec was used to write the data in some device. Now in place of rdirect and wrrec in the same program, I want to use read and write library functions from the utility library. So what the command that will be provided to the loader will look like this, or you can say the file of the command that is provided to the loader will look like this. Include read from utility library, utilib. You can see here include program name from and library name is given. What was the purpose? Direct the loader to read the designated object program from a library and treat it as if it were part of the primary loader input. That means it becomes now as an input to the loader. Include read from utility library. Include write from utility library. Delete rdirect and wrrec. What this command provide? Instruct the loader to delete the named control sections from the set of programs being loaded. That means just delete these control sections from the set of the program. I am just repeating one more time. Suppose that there is a program, and in this program there is a module, or you can say subroutine rdirect, another subroutine is wrrec. Now in place of rdirect, I just want to use a library function, that is read, and in place of wrrec, I just want to use library function write. How you will do? First you have to include read from utility library, include write from utility library, then delete rdirect and wrrec from the program, because this program is given as input to the loader for loading. Just delete these programs from the program that was given to the loader for loading in the main memory. That means these tasks are done at the time of loading. Delete rdirect, wrrec, change rdirect, read. That means what? Wherever in this program rdirect is written, just write there read. You can see in this program, suppose that the instruction was jsub rdirect. So now this name rdirect is replaced by read. Change rdirect to read. Same way change wrrec to write. Library mylib. Automatic inclusion of library routines to satisfy external references searched before the standard library. That means what? If there are some symbols that are mentioned in your program like list A and NA, and you want to say to the loader that first search list A and NA in this library mylib before searching these symbols in the standard library to resolve the external references. For that purpose, this command is used, library mylib. No call std device, standard device, plot, corel to instruct the loader that these external references are to remain unsolved. That means what? There is no need to call the library for solving these symbols, resolving these symbols, or you can say to find out the value of these symbols. Remain unsolved. Others. If you want to find out the, or you can say these commands, there are some commands that provide the output from the loader. For example, the map, or you can say load map, which includes control section name and addresses. We can print it. It is provided in some loader. The ability to specify the location at which execution is to begin. Control whether or not the loader should attempt to execute the program if errors are detected during the load. That means if I am loading the program and I am getting any error, I had to, if I am writing some, if I have written some command language, or you can say some command, and that command instruct the loader, either you have to execute the program if there are some errors, or you don't have to execute the program if there are some errors. Thank you so much.